Welcome to the Hennessey Performance YouTube channel. We're at the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track, and I'm in this beautiful brand new CT5-V Blackwing. It has the manual 6-speed transmission. It's got our H1000 horsepower package, and this thing absolutely rips. We are comparing it against the stock CT5-V Blackwing, which also has the manual transmission. So exact apples to apples, we're doing a roll race. It's got rev matching downshifts, it's got great brakes. This car is awesome. For this last run, we're going to do a run from a dig with a 1-foot rollout. So it kind of eliminates the need for launch control and perfecting a launch. So we'll just get it into first gear and then hit it from there. Alright folks, now you've seen the H1000 versus the stock CT5-V Blackwing. Obviously the 1000 horsepower version completely runs away from the stock version. We just wanted to show you the gap and the difference of the real world roll racing difference. So you've seen it, you've watched it, hit the thumbs up, hit the like, subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.